Hello and welcome back to Gubb Farm. If you are interested in hazelnut production, organic farming, farming equipment, making stuff, breaking stuff, this is the right place for you. So hit that subscribe button if you want to follow my journey from zero, starting planting a hazelnut farm through to production. I'm up at the doghouse. I've done initial clean, taking out, it was used to hold dogs and then it was used to hold animals, cows. So I've removed the manure from that. And now I've got my father's tractor and power hose. But I'm using it to give the doghouse a wash out. We'll show you around. Lots of recycling from COVID that I still haven't brought to the recycling centre. Planted so far 450 trees, that's the box that they arrived in. In the farm I find this old trailer, that's a project. And there's a boat trailer, another project. I'm going to give this a clean. It was used to hold cattle, and you can see the remnants of cow shit basically. So the doghouse, I'm going to use it for the nut production. It's going to go through a process of cleaning. We'll need a refrigeration unit in here. There's going to be nut crackers and all sorts of implements. So that all has to be decided upon, has to be sourced, built. This place needs a big tidy up. I'm now going to fire up the case, start washing, and I'll chat to you later. That's one side done. At last, it's clean. I've set aside my bags, that'll be for the composting. The trailers, I will hopefully get some work done on them over the winter. And the quad trailer is nice and clean, ready to carry the trees out when we start planting in February, and of course the topsoil that we're going to make. And every good man shed needs a place to hang out. Are you alright there, buddy? What's wrong? You feeling a bit down? Let me get you some help. Shed, get some light into here, get some air. Okay, roll over and I'll have a look, see what's going on here. I'm not sure how to tell you this, but you've lost your legs. But we can fix you. You lot, come on, give us a hand. Good job. The surgery went well. You just got to pick yourself up. Well done. Back on your feet again. Well done. You look a bit broken up there. Come on, pull yourself together. Well done. So that's it. The shed has been washed. The windows have been repaired, cleaned, workbenches fitted, security sorted out. And the only thing I've left to do now is to sort out the electricity supply. There's a broken cable. So I've got a resin joint kit in the post, and I'll get that sorted out and checked out by my cousin who's an electrician. So until next time, good luck.